Some Missouri lawmakers are taking aim at child marriages. In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox News' Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy about the law and why some say a change is long overdue. All new at 6.
Andrea, let's just start with, I guess, in Missouri, what is the legal age to marry, and if it's a minor, is a parental consent required?
So since 2018, Missouri law sets the minimum age at 16 with the consent of a parent or guardian. Previously, the age was 15. However, minors cannot marry anyone 21 or older because of other laws on the books. Despite these restrictions, child marriage remains an issue in Missouri. According to the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, between 2019 and 2021, about 225 minors were married in Missouri. 75% of those were girls under 18. And since 2000, there was over 8,000 minors married. So a lot of concern about potential coercion and abuse.
Are there any efforts in Missouri to change the law?
There is. So there's a renewed push in the Missouri legislature to completely ban child marriage. A bill introduced in the state Senate would prohibit marriage licenses for anyone under 18, and that would bring Missouri in line with most other states. The bill would not affect marriages that already exist, and a similar measure passed in the Senate last year, but stalled in the House.
You touched on some of the concerns, and I guess, what are some of the words or the reasons behind pushing to make these changes?
So advocates for the change in the law state that child marriage increases the risk of abuse, exploitation, and coercion, especially for young girls marrying older men. Additionally, Missouri's law does not align with national human rights standards, which set the minimum age at child marriage at 18. Supporters also point out that the research shows that child marriage often leads to poorer outcomes, such as lack of education, poverty, and higher rates of domestic violence.
An issue that is being debated in Jefferson City. Andrea McNairy from Brown and Crouppen, thanks for keeping us up to date on all these legal issues before us.
You're very welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.